You are going to love the 2015 Acadia. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, sunroof, all-wheel drive, remote keyless entry, daytime running lamps, fog lamps, luggage rack, remote vehicle start. Inside you'll find cruise control, power outlet, floor mats, console. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better fuel economy, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.